You haven't done your homework, Tony.
I just came out here to sing for you.
I'm not interested in just singing.
Singing gets your feedback?
What? My feedback? What an ugly word. What is feedback? He wants my feedback. I don't give feedback.
Your response.
I respond to what I feel, and I feel nothing but anger for someone who so little treasures his art. You're not prepared, Mr. Tony Tight Pants. Go home. You're wasting our time. Next, student.
No.
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 Well, that's the first interesting thing you've said since you came out here.
I came here to sing.
You weren't ready.
I'm going to sing.
And I can't stop you.
I need your help. I want to sing. I want to sing well. I know I have a voice. And I know it's not enough. I want to be an artist. Tommy Colori. Please.